अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट, आपकी दोस्त आया टेक। ओके, सो वेलकम टू एवरीवन। थैंक यू सो मच ज्वाइनिंग माय लाइव स्ट्रीम एवरीवन। आज हम बात करेंगे प्रोजेक्ट पे जो कि हमें मिला है। गेट वालों ने हमें दिया है। ओके, सो हम पहले इनकी इन्फो खोल लेते हैं। ओके एवरीवन, सो वेलकम, थैंक यू सो मच ज्वाइनिंग माय लाइव स्ट्रीम एवरीवन। Okay. In relative lasting cat tool list, CYS Animal L Element King and use US from future trading cat prim TEX. Nick Major Lawrence post copy in Carnival and Auto Investor. Okay, so welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream everyone. मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट, आपकी दोस्त आया टैग। Okay everyone. Okay, to offer more device trading tip option, get well-supported classes. Okay, classes CNC, Alnomic, Alnomic and Dulles USA in future trading. Get Prime. Okay, Get Prime Dex Major Lawrence post copy convert and auto investment. Following the cancellation, be long stay and return to enjoy the expert. Okay, so welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream, everyone. Thank you. मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट, आपकी दोस्त आयत। Okay, everyone. Thank you. Future, future. And DYS USD pre-mart contact trading will be available on Get at 10.0 UTC on October 11, 2025 with up to 20x levels. Levels can be select at the time of order placement. Okay. Thank you so much joining my live stream, everyone. Okay. Trading CYS Premort contact at ओके चलिए अब हम चलते हैं सो लिंक की तरफ। सो देखते हैं हमें कहाँ लेके जाती है एवरीवन। ओके, इस टाइम सी वाई एस की प्राइस है 0.2856 USD। ओके, चेंजेस है +37.18%। ओके, ओके, मार्केट प्राइस 0.2843 USD। इंडेक्स प्राइस 0.2847 USD। ओके, फंडिंग रेट काउंटिंग +0.0050%, 0.40.38। ओके, 24 front hour USD 2.06 millions. Okay, open interactive CYS 4.27 millions. Okay, so everyone दुआ कीजिए कि ये अब चला जाए, हमें जब तक इसकी प्राइस मिले तो अब हो। ओके, तो हमने पढ़ा है। Learn more about CYS format contact, so everyone ये इनकी लिंक है, तो देखते हैं इसमें क्या है। ओके, trade now. Okay, so welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. CYS USD contact details. Contracted CYS USD explored data, no explored data. Contract size is 10 USA, 10 CYS, marquee levers, 10x refer to leverage and terminate. Morgan. Okay. Okay, so everyone, thank you so much for joining my live stream, everyone. When written counting 0.05%, counting countdown 0.38.50. Okay. Funding interval for the next funding is 2025 12.28 12.18 70.0.0. Okay, basis MMR from currently tier 8% refer to F levels and major trading fees refer to trading fees. Trick size 0.001. Okay, important fund natural 5.0 USD. Price difference to horse 110%. Best price evaluated 20%. Next pending order 100. Investor funder refer to increase fund balance. Okay, so welcome to everyone. Thank you. Alnomic USD format contract trading will be available on GET at 20.12.10 UTC on October 11.2025 with up to 20x levers. Levers can be selected at the time of order placement. Okay. So welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream, everyone. मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट आपकी दोस्त आयते. Okay. Did Alnomic format contact art? So welcome my live stream, everyone. Thank you. Learn more about Alnomic format contact. Okay. So welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream, everyone. मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट आपकी दोस्त आयते. Okay, everyone. Alnomic USD contact details. Contact Alnomic USD. Expired data, no expired data. Contact site 110 Alnomic. MX leverage 20% refer to leverage and break. Okay. Funding rate countdown 0.05%, countdown 0.3835.58. Okay. Fund interval fourth. Next funding 2025 12 18 70.0.0. Basis PPR from current year 4% refer to leverage and nation. Fees trading refer to trading fees tree size 0.001. Imperative fund natural 5.0 USD price different to hold 10%. Mixed price validations 20%. Mixed pending order on rate. Increase fund refer to increase fund balance. Okay. Okay, so welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream, everyone. Okay, everyone. USDP mode contact trading will be available on GET at 13.10 UTC on October 11, 2025 with up to 20x levels. Levels can be selected at the time of order placement. Pre-up promote contact at so everyone link and key name on about US promote. Okay, promise contact. So everyone, thank you. Note: copy and post trading for the above promote contact will be available with 1 hour after the future investing. Okay. Listing time: if there is sacrificed price availability during the price enlisted base the future listing may be developer can adjust the exit listing time according to actual market conditions. Trading promoters adjustment to at market risk and option user trading sphere get will be adjust trading promote integrated funders that raise size maximum levels risk limited and maintain management requirement as need based on the actual market conditions. Okay. Get Prim Dex trading. So everyone, thank you. Thank you so much joining my live stream, everyone. And Get Prim Dex will also listing CYS as a CP mode contact examinations trade now. Okay. So welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream, everyone. Okay. Multiple chain deposit invented annual Solana it EVM dual contact accounts from consultative issues and effective fund flow. Withdraw anytime. Okay. Okay, so welcome to everyone. Thank you. Get Pim Dex will also last dynamic university remote contact intermediate trade now. Okay. And Get Prim Dex will also last as a US university remote contact and simulated trade now. More for more for product details and Twitter on Get Prim Dex visit. Okay. How to start trading? Select okay. Select a contact account. In the account last list, select the contact account you want to use. Solana contact account, EVM contact account. Okay. C. To and validate after transfer, check transfer to user to kick transfer at the top right. While in the transfer details, select the network of the asset, enter an amount or click mix to quality. Fill the entry balance of your wallet. Confirm transfer information. Please check successful enter. The transfer amount, network, and other information are encrypted. Okay. Okay, so welcome to my live stream, everyone. In case your wallet has a cash balance in the select network from gas fees. Okay, gas fees. Informational gas will issue the transfer to file. If you run out of gas, you can check the deposit button to fill up. After checking that all information is currently checked in confirm, complete the transfer. The system will prompt your wallet to sign check sign to finish. After successful transfer, your asset will enter the contract accounts and you can start trading. Withdraw. The withdraw entry is located and wallet withdraw or VIA the carry withdraw button on the bottom right carnival. Okay. 1. Check withdraw to open the withdraw to window. Okay. Following the withdraw in confirmation, enter the withdraw amount, select the withdraw network, select enter the receiver address. The system will display the maximum amount of fees. Please confirm the information and check the withdraw amount, network, the receiver address. Successful is the confirmation is credited, the withdraw cannot be credited. After submitted, the system will promote the wallet. Confirm the withdrawal request to be fetch your sign natural on sign on a funders expired to average to with 5 minutes. Okay. Okay. Bridge launch. The launch service and bridge trading trading for CYN will be available at 10.10 UTC on October 11, 2025 at the scam time KYC. Simple and feasible crypto line and Fish crypto line service will be supported. Okay, so welcome to my live stream, everyone. Thank you. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. The line service and major trading of Alnomic will be available at 10.12.10 UTC on October 11, 2025. At the come time, Almanic simple and pastry crypto line and fish crypto line service will be supported. The line service and major trading from US will be available at 13.10 UTC. On December 11, 2025 at the camp time, his Ripple and his crypto line and his crypto line service will be spotted. Okay, Carnival the CYS Carnival future will be available on 1 hour after KYC Sport Trading Gas Live, allowing user to return convert CYS to USDT or other spotted tokens. Okay, so welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Okay, everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream, everyone. Okay, the Almanic carnival future. Okay, everyone. Okay, carnival future will be available on 1 hour after Alma- Almanic Sport Trading guys call goes live, allowing users to invalidate carnivore, Almanic to USDT or other sporting tokens. The user carnivore future will be available on horse after US spot trading gets live, allowing users to integrate carnivore use to USDT or other sporting tokens. Okay, so welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream, everyone. Okay, auto investor. Okay, the CYS auto investor feature will be available 1 hour after the CYS sport market. Those live spotted investment into varieties such as Hori and Daily. Okay. The Alnamic Auto Investor future will be available 1 hour after the Almanic Sport Market go live, spotting investment investors such as Orly and Daily details. Okay. The US Auto Investor future will be available on 1 hour after the US sport market goes live, spotted investment investor such Orly and Daily. Get team December 11, 2025 get to crypto trade hour 4.10 cryptocurrency SAP Quickie and Easy and get track activity now. Sign up and claim up to $10.60 in welcome reward. Invited friends and earn a 14% commission. Stay connected. Visit Get official website. Download the Get app deposit. Follow us on X Twitter to get more bonus. Join our Telegram community to discuss trading topics. Equilibre with the global community from the last insight. Okay. Transparency security check our 100% proof of service. Okay. So everyone, thank you so much for joining my live stream everyone. मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट आपकी दोस्त आयत. Okay, everyone. Can you drop complete task to claim a drop $16.98 million. Community is drop $956.66k. Total is drop 5.98 million. Total participate. Okay. So welcome to my live stream, everyone. Thank you. About Candy Drop. Question number one: what is Candy Drop? Candy Drop is an airdrop reward combined launched by Get User. User complete tasks in Getty trading deposit and refer to win candles. The more tasks you complete, the more candles you can earn. The better your chances of getting airdrop reward will be. Okay. Question number two. Okay, so welcome to my live stream, everyone. How to earn candles? User can earn candles by completing credit tasks in Caddy Drop. There are version tasks in Caddy Deposit and Participate. Instead of preferred trading each complete task created to user a great number of candles. Okay, so welcome to my live stream, everyone. Customer 3, how do demands tasks complete? Once task is complete by user, it will be automatically received by the platform and giving a check mark it. If the past receiver only task will be check market and consultative complete. Okay, so welcome to my live stream, everyone. Okay, so everyone, thank you. Question number 4. When will the reward be distributed? Reward will be distributed to the winners get accounts with 40 working days after the event end. You check it is a wallet history. Please note that user must complete integrity verification before the event end to receive reward. Okay, so everyone, thank you. Question number 5. Can candles be accumulated from the next event? Candles from each event are interpreted and cannot be created over to the next event. Video tutor. Okay, so welcome to my live stream, everyone. Thank you so much. Okay, everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream, everyone. ओके एवरीवन, ये थी हमारी वीडियो। सो अब चलते हैं लास्ट पोल की तरफ से एवरीवन। ओके, so everyone, thank you joining my live stream, everyone. Okay, everyone, last poll. Kick a stick and protocol new tokens. $55 point five dollars point 37 millions total is drop. Okay, $262 eight 4K total. Estimated total reward $48 point 98 million fund receiver. 7 millions participate. Okay, so welcome to my live stream, everyone. Thank you. So everyone, thank you so much for joining my live stream, everyone. Okay, so everyone, thank you so much for joining my live stream, everyone. Okay, thank you. Okay, everyone. About launch poll. Question number 1. What is Launchpool? Launchpool is a platform where users can stake their asset arbitrarily to earn reward in new project tokens. Users can lock the prepared tokens in the Launchpool to receive cross-betting project token. Join Launchpool now. Okay. Question number two, can I participate in Launchpool? Log into your Get accounts, enter the Launchpool page and try the project you want to participate in. Note that you will not receive a drop bonus until the minimum trading volume requirement is met. Okay, so welcome to my live stream, everyone. Thank you. Question number three, where there are stake in Launchpool, how engage them? Okay, so welcome to my live stream, everyone. To increase the timers and engagement of launch pool, different stake cap have been set from user based on their trading volume. The system will automatically make you want to spot it trading volume free according to your total trading volume. Demands in USD hour to the hour the past 16 days. The higher your trading volume, the higher your stake cap 16 days. Total trading volume 16 days for trading volume plus 16 days. Future trading volume 14% commission. The data is updated in real time. In case of delay in the update, please check again once or later. Okay. Question number 4. Okay. Which coin can I stake in launch pool? The tokens eligible to participate will be encouraged on the money page of each project. Please visit the corresponding page of launch pool to review more details. Okay. Question number 5, how to get a drop bonus. So when you stake BTC, GT, ETH and USD in launch pool, you will get a bonus which is still subject to the annuity reward cap per horse. Must charge to transfer the data message to simple ARM stream. Please note that subscription to simple ARM stream will stream 1 outside launch pool will not be carry from bonus. Okay. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Everyone, thank you. Okay, question number 6. Okay, everyone, thank you. Only system reward invalidity last one horse value stake amount. Total pool stake amount or a reward pool. System will take snapshot of invalidity stake amount. Each hourly and take the average as the value stake amount. Okay. Okay, welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Question number 7. When did I receive a bonus after subscription to Simple RP stream when stake If you will receive the reward cap by horse no more bonds, it will be distributed. Okay, everyone. Question number 8. How a reward distributed system will take snapshot of inventory amount and distributed tokens reward actually by user hourly earning will be distributed into user support accounts. Okay. Question number 9. Well, when will the stake asset be returned? Okay. After the user return is advanced the stake is complete, the stake asset will be transferred to simple or different. If this option is unlocked, the stake asset will be returned into spot asset. If the amount of return asset to simple earn and does not meet the minimum subscription amount of simple earn, the asset will automatically transfer to spot asset. If simple earn does not support the subscription of the return token, the asset will also be automatically transferred to spot asset. Okay, so welcome to my live stream, everyone. Question number 9. Can a return by stake asset at any time? The system will take multiply snapshot of personal stake amount each only and calculate the value stake amount. How every earning repetition might result in the loss of increased reward. Please maintain stable stake reward to increase mining reward. Okay, so welcome to my live stream, everyone. Thank you. Customer 12 can add education stake asset. You can increase your stake asset at any time. The more tokens you get to stake, the greater your particle mining reward. However, once the reward cap is reached, you will no longer receive a stake reward. Okay, everyone, thank you so much for joining my live stream, everyone. Question number 12. Can I participate in launch pool project at the come time? When there are multiple launch pool projects going on the come time, you can stake different pool to receive now tokens money reward from multiple projects. Okay, each stake pool need to be stake simplified. If you only stake asset in pool A, you will not be able to obtain reward from pool B. You can stake pool A and pool B simplified to obtain the corresponding money reward. Okay, so welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream, everyone. Question number 13. What is the maximum money reward I can receive? The hourly reward and cap per user from each project is different. Once the cap is reached, no future stake reward will be created. Please refer to the relevant income committee from the mining page from the reward hard cap limit from each project. Okay, customer 14. Will stake asset in the launch pool and best my VIP level? Okay, everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream, everyone. No asset stake in get launch pool were not increased in the asset holding calculation from holder airdrop, launchpad, and VIP preview. Okay. Okay, so welcome to my live stream, everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Question number 15 about total stake. The total stake refer to the cumulative amount written as stake in the pool. The metal is cumulative. Total is the total uncumulative the stake asset. User have the term explain. If the user stake 10.0 USD, the return to 0.0 USD in the total stake in the pool ramps 10.0 USD in the cumulative method in calculator with intricate starter. Okay, beauty tutor. So welcome to my live stream, everyone. Okay, welcome to my live stream, everyone. Okay, welcome to my live stream, everyone. Thank you. Okay, so ये थी हमारी लाइव. Okay, everyone. Thank you. Okay, so my live stream, everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream, everyone. Okay, welcome to my live stream, everyone. Thank you. So my live stream, so joining my live stream, everyone. 1 minute, so welcome. ओके, सर एवन कॉइन नहीं मिल रहा मुझे. Thank you so joining my live stream, everyone. Hold airdrop or GT and get maximum airdrop for free. Okay, 0.313 dollars, 0.1 community millions community airdrop. Okay, 12 millions participate. 34327 project launch. Okay, okay. About already airdrop. Okay, everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream, everyone. Question number one. How to participate in the holder airdrop? Okay, welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream, everyone. As long as your GT holdings in get accounts in no less than one, you can participate and receive a draw without looking as take GT. Okay, so welcome to my live stream, everyone. Thank you. Question number three: customer two? What account GT holdings will be engaged in the calculation? Okay, so thank you so much for joining my live stream, everyone. Total GT holdings in unit accounts, sport accounts, installation mining accounts, copy trading accounts, boost account, fantasy account, and payment account exclusive GT2 and GT, and crypto loan and launchpad. Okay, so welcome to my live stream, everyone. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone. Question number three: how to your airdrop amount calculated? Okay. And once you join the project, system will take your GT holdings, take multiply, return, and chat every hourly to calculate your average. Okay, so everyone, average hourly holding, you final report is based on your average holdings. Okay, during the entry project periods, if your average holdings are below 1GT, you will not receive any report. Final token receiver. The average hourly holdings, all participate, every holdings holder participate. Okay, so welcome to my live stream, everyone. Thank you. Okay, so welcome to my live stream, everyone. Thank you. Question number four: what is Parchiti? Okay, Parchiti is any time value in getting the number of airdrop launched. Okay, so welcome to my live stream. Number of airdrop include received by participate in the holder of airdrop project to what quantity holders and ending in the project please in not that subscription. Okay, because the project please note that per GT will change it based on the total airdrop amount and the GT holding all participate and the update holding. Okay, so welcome to my live stream. Okay, question number five: where are my holdings country different in this project? Okay, so my live stream, everyone. Thank you. Okay, so my live stream, everyone. Thank you. So airdrop amount, GT amount, all participate and spotted. So thank you. The system user. Okay, The system uses return Snapchat to calculate your average hourly audience to betting. Once you join each project, please visit the close betting page. Audience my average is storing your audience amount average calculated your average only audience okay should be the come in case or project you participate in. Okay, welcome to my live stream, everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream, everyone. Okay, question number six: how to get a raw bonus? Participant project want the airdrop bonus label and holder city and simple earn fish stream during the event, and you will receive a airdrop bonus after the event. And note that if you valid city holdings have a right receiver, the stake cap non airdrop bonus will be awarded. Question number seven: what is the inventory participate cap? Different projects have different inventory participate limited. You can check the details page of the event and commentary for more information. Question number eight: can I participate in multiple projects at the same time? Yes, you can participate in multiple projects. Okay, question number nine: when will the stake airdrop be rewarded? Okay, so welcome to my live stream, everyone. Thank you. And the airdrop will be calculated and distributed with 1 horse after the project, and you can check it anytime. Large bull holder airdrop participate history. Question number 10: what privileges are created and to VIP user when participate in project? No project with the VIP label are user participate cap increase with their VIP tree. Will their reward Alta coins in protect to their GT holdings? Okay, so welcome to my live stream, everyone. Thank you. So, question number 11: can interactive sub accounts participate in the holder airdrop? Currently, integrated and sub accounts are not available. Only main accounts and participate in the holder airdrop. Question number 11: what before to VIP user have the holder airdrop? Node project with the VIP label are registered to participate cap increase with the VIP level tree. With top tree VIP in try no cap talda. When their reward alta coins informer to their GT holdings. Okay, customer 30 where my airdrop reward from voucher with bonds calculated. While token receiver the average holding audience one simple and bonus. Before our project every holdings heavy holdings are total airdrop. Okay, launchpad that will be adding to the next pack tokens project $2.31 amount 797.71K participate about launchpad. Question number one: what is Get Launchpad? Get Launchpad, Get Navigate, or Get Launch Platform that last you get in earning engaged to hide protect crypto project during pet sub protect the subscription model giving you head start before the market gets trend once. Okay. Question number two. What tokens can I use to subscribing? Launchpad subscription tokens are typically USDT, GT or other. Please check the project details to simplify. And the final subscription token shall be based on the actual project, not free. One are not eligible to participate in Launchpad project. Question number three. Will my funds be looking after subscribing? Yes, if your subscription is accessible, the gross parting amount will be educated from your accounts with cohorts after the subscription periods, and any subscription product will also be unlocked the return to your sport account with cohorts after the subscription period end. Okay, so welcome to my live stream, everyone. Thank you. Question number three. Even for will my funds be looking after subscribing? Yes, if your subscription is accessible, the corresponding amount will be educated if your accounts with 4 hours after the subscription periods and any subscription model will also be unlocking the returns to your sport accounts with 4 hours after the subscription periods end. Okay, so welcome to my live stream, everyone. Thank you. Question number four. Where are tokens located? Yes, if the subscription and tokens are taken distributed based on your contributed as a percentage of the total funds and receiver, the subscription amount to get it according to tokens are related to your sport accounts. Okay, so welcome to my live stream, everyone. Thank you. Okay, okay, welcome to my live stream, everyone. Thank you. Question number five. How many tokens will receiver get currently used to method to calculate tokens distributed? Method 1 tokens are allocated based on the format of your token and total community during the subscription period level to the total contributed of the project. Okay, so welcome to my live stream, everyone. Thank you. Method 2 tokens are created based on the format of your average hourly or looking amount during the subscription period level to the project hour hourly average distributed. Regulars of the method users you allocated cannot exceed the preferred max up per subkeeping. Okay, question number 6. How to get the launchpad bonus? When you use GT, USDT and USDT to participate in launchpad, you can try the different to the simple earn fees product after the project, and you can get any extra bonus will stay to the personally distributed limited contributed. Note that you cannot get any extra distributed reward from the simple unregistered product that has been applied during launchpad launch. Okay, so welcome to my live stream, everyone. Okay, everyone, thank you. So, welcome to my live stream, everyone. Thank you. Okay, welcome to my live stream, everyone. Thank you. Okay, everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream, everyone. Okay, everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream, everyone. ओके, चलिए दोस्तों, ये थी हमारी आज की लाइव। फिर मुलाकात होगी एक नई लाइव के साथ। अल्लाह हाफिज। तो हमें याद रखिएगा। बाय बाय, टेक केयर। मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट, आपकी दोस्त आया टेक।